In the 20th century, the typewriter was a symbol of office work, largely what was called women's work, paperwork, and service of industry. In the 21st century, the workplace has left the typewriter behind. Work now happens on computers and screens, and so these machines are finding a new life, encouraging creativity by their physical presence, their offline usefulness, the ability to use them anywhere, no outlet required. Since 2017, the Truthsayers Lounge has served as a creation station where people of all ages can share their truths with the world and have a lot of fun doing it. On the street or on the farm, we'll come to wherever the party is happening. Over the years, the Truthsayers typewriters have collected thousands of words written by hundreds of people, everything from nonsense to deep secrets, spontaneous poetry. At festivals, neighborhood gatherings, college campuses, and conferences, people of all ages share on our typewriters. The Truthsayers Lounge has grown over time to include other creative tools, markers and fabric providing a no-mess way for artists of all ages to express themselves. Everyone contributing to a unique multimedia creation. We're even crazy enough to let kids take our video cameras out into the field.
I love you.
The Truthsayers Lounge is now available for booking in 2021 and beyond. If you'd like your event to include our unique creative space, contact us at lounge@truthsayers.org. Until then, keep feeding your creative fire.